Hello everyone, welcome to the video series on Python programming. In the previous video, we learned about operators in Python. In this video, we'll learn more on operators and lists in Python. Some of the operators that are used in Python are string and membership operators. The string operator works on the string values. The string operator can be classified as concatenation and replication operator. The concatenation operator is used to join two string values, while the replication operator is used to repeat a string for a number of times. Let's see how the concatenation operator works. In order to concatenate two strings, first I need to define two strings. So I'll define string 1 as str1. str1 is equal to welcome Saurabh, comma. Similarly, I'll have to define string 2. str2 is equal to how are you? Question mark. Now, one thing to be noted is that a string is always written under double quotes. So since I want to concatenate str1 and str2, I'll write the print statement and use the concatenation operator in it. Print str1. The concatenation operator is indicated by the plus sign and str2. So now we have used the concatenation operator with string 1 that is str1 and string 2 that is str2. As you can see, both the strings have been concatenated using the operator. Replication operator is another kind of string operator. Let's use the replication operator to print a string 5 times. Print welcome. This star symbol represents the replication operator and 5 represents that the string welcome should be repeated 5 times. As displayed in the output, the string welcome has been repeated 5 times using the replication operator. Membership operators are important to control the working of a loop. There are two types of membership operators. One is the in operator and the second one is the not in operator. The in operator is used to check if a given value exists in the sequence or not. It returns true if it finds a value in the specified sequence, otherwise it returns false. The not in operator works in exact opposite manner as the in operator. Let's see how the in operator in Python can be used. Print 5 in 1, 2, 5, 10. This program will check whether 5 is present in the given sequence. Since 5 is present in the given sequence, the in operator will return true. If 5 was not present, then in operator would have returned false. So the output shows that the true value has been returned as the number 5 is present in the given sequence. The not an operator works in a complete opposite manner when compared to the in operator. If a given number is present in the sequence, then it will return false, while if a number is not present in the given sequence, it will return true. Let's check it. Print 5 not in 1, 2, 5, 10. Since the number 5 is present in the given sequence, the not an operator will return false. If the number 5 was not present in the given sequence, the not an operator would have returned true. Now, let us learn about comments in Python. Comment is nothing but a statement that is added to the Python program in order to make the code easier to understand. A compiler always ignores the comments. So, the Python output will never show the text written in the comments. Although comments are optional, it is a good practice to add comments to the Python program to make it easier to understand. There are two types of comments in Python. One is the single line comment that is created at the beginning of the line with the hash character. The single line comments are automatically terminated at the end of the line. Another type of comment in Python is the multi-line comment. Multi-line comments include a longer paragraph or longer explanation of the program. The multi-line comment can be provided in the program by adding a delimiter at the beginning and end of the comment. Let's try writing single line and multi-line comments in the Python script mode. The single line comment is started with a hash character. Hash single line comment. The multi-line comment begins and ends with a delimiter. This is comment written in more than just one line. I'll again end this comment with a delimiter. So this becomes my multi-line comment. Now I want to print hello world, so I'll write a print statement. Print hello world. Since the compiler ignores the comments, the Python output should only show hello world and ignore all the other text that is present inside the comments. So let's run this code and see what we get as the output. Go to run and click on run module. Click on OK to save the code first. So as you can see, the Python output is only showing hello world and all the other text in the comments has been ignored. Next, we are going to study about Python lists in this video. A Python list is nothing but a list of comma-separated values between square brackets. The interesting part about a Python list is that the items in a list need not be of the same type. A list can be created simply by putting different comma-separated values between the square brackets. Just like the string indices, list indices also start at 0. A list can be sliced and concatenated as well. In order to access the values in a list, a square bracket can be used for slicing along with the index to obtain the value available at that particular index. Let's create two lists in this Python script mode and see how the Python lists actually work. List 1 is equal to, a list can be created simply by putting comma separated values into square brackets. So square brackets 10, comma 20, comma 30, comma 40, comma 50 and semicolon. I'll create another list called list 2 and put the items in it. Saurabh, comma Abhishek, comma 1983, comma 1991. The type of the items in the list can be different. So I have taken 2 items to be as a string and 2 items as integers. Now let's print the first item in list 2. Print list item at first position colon comma list 2, and the first position is 0 since the index starts from 0. This should display the first item in list 2, that is Saurabh. Similarly, I want to do it for list 1. Print list item from second position to fourth position. Comma list 1, and I want it from the second position, so I'll put the index 1, enter a colon, and then put the index 5. Let's run this code and see what is happening. Go to run and click on run module and press OK to save this code. So the first item of the list 2 has been displayed, that is Saurabh has been displayed, and the items from the second position to the fourth position from list 1 have been displayed as desired by us. So in this video, we learned about string and membership operators, the 2 types of comments in Python, and Python lists. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.